And all the dancers that know the dance are going to run out on the floor and join the alumni to do the flash mob. And we're going to start out by step and clap. Step, 5, 6, 7, we do it for 2 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to reach out with our left hand across and then our right hand. And then we're going to go across our body horizontal and horizontal. We're going to bring it in and we're going to shrug down to the right, down to the left, down to the right, down to the left. Then we're going to walk. We're going to circle our left hand and cross, walk. We're going to turn to the back, and on 8-1, you're going to jump. Woo-hoo! Okay? We're going to cross our hands and pop it, cross and pop, cross and pop. There's only time for 3, actually. Then we're going to cross with the right hand, right foot, turn to the back, turn around, and 8-1, woo-hoo! Cross and pop, cross and pop, cross and pop. Now we're going to circle it out. So, break, good. Times, come on. We shake it to the right because that's the side we just turned toward, then left, right. Then we're going to celebrate to the left, up and down, around, come on. Shake it to the left, shake it to the right, shake it to the left. Now we're going to put our hands on our hips, and we're going to go chicken, rock, rock, and rock, rock. Then we're going to do gimme, 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 gimme. Roll it down, roll it up, cross, cross, hip, hip. Arm, circle, arm, circle, arm, circle, arm, circle. We're going to celebrate and party with you. Then we're going to walk forward, right foot, right hand. Arms on a big sunshine, and we're going to dig twice. Dig twice to the right, dig twice to the left. My team knows how to dig. We go back with the right foot, and big circle, dig twice to the right, and twice to the left. Then we're going to come together. It's time, we're going to get really close, to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Then we're going to freestyle it out, and we'll repeat the whole dance. All right?
A celebration to last throughout the year. So bring your good times and we gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on and celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. Party on everyone go round, go round. Come on. Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here. A dedication to last throughout the year. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate and party with you. Come on now.